Hey, this is MJ, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to crochet our shells and V-stitch pattern. I'll be working with worsted weight yarn in this tutorial, and this is MARY MAXIM maximum value, and I'll be using a 5.5mm crochet hook, and I'll be using a dots crochet hook from crochet.com. So for our shells and V-stitch pattern, I'm going to work out a chain in a multiple of 4 plus 2. Okay, so I've chained a total of 22, and for my foundation row, I'm just going to work across in single crochets. So I'm going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and I'm going to work this across. Now I'm going to chain 4 and turn. I'm going to skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to work a V in the next stitch. So our chain 4 counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. To work a V, we're going to do a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. We'll then chain 1, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and a V stitch in the next stitch. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, V stitch in the next. Chain 1, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, V stitch in the next. Chain 1, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and a double crochet in the last stitch. So our next row is going to be our shells. We're going to chain 3, which counts as our first double crochet. And then in our V-stitch, we're going to work a shell, which is 5 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're just going right into the next V with another shell. So no chain 1s between. And I'll work a shell in the next 2 V stitches as well. Okay, I've worked my last shell, then we're going to double crochet in the turning chain. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn. Our chain 4 counts as our double and chain 1. And now we're going to work V stitches in the top of our shells across. So that's going to be the 3rd double crochet of the shell. So we have 5 doubles. The 3rd one is the center. So we'll work a V stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and we'll do the same in the next one, V stitch, chain 1, V stitch, chain 1. So we're ending with chain 1 and a double crochet in the turning chain. Chain 3, turn, and then we're back to the same as this shawl row. We're working shawls in the V's across. Okay, and that's how it's looking. I'm going to do a couple more rows to finish off the swatch. So I've chained 4, I'm going to turn and go back into my V stitches. It's a nice, quick, and easy stitch, and it looks quite beautiful for summer garments and accessories. So next I'm going to show you how to work the shells and V-stitch in the round. So I've chained out 36, joined my ring, and just single crocheted around to get us started. So we're going to begin with our V-stitch. So we're going to chain 4 and double crochet in the same space. So our chain 4 counts as a double and a chain 1, and then our next double creates the V. We'll chain 1, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and V in the next. Chain 1, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and a V stitch in the next. So I'm going to continue working the V stitches around. So chain 1, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th stitch. So our multiple is a multiple of 4. So 36 is divisible by 4, so it works out evenly for this pattern. You should be ending with your 3 stitches. We're going to chain 1 and slip stitch in the starting V to join. We'll now chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and I'm going to work 4 double crochet in the V. Okay, and then we're going to do a shell in the next V, which is 5 double crochet. And a shell in the next V, and we're just going to continue working shells in all of our V stitches around. So now once we get all the way around, we can slip stitch into the top of the starting chain 3 to join. And then we're going to slip stitch across to the center of the shell. So we're slip stitching in the next, slip stitching in the next. So now we're into the center. We'll chain 4 and double crochet in that same stitch. Okay, so we're back to the V-stitch round. We'll chain 1, and then we'll V-stitch in the center of the next shell, which is the 3rd double crochet. Chain 1. In the center of the next shell, work a V, and work this all the way around. As we get around, we finish with our chain 1 and slip stitch in our first V to join, and then we're back to round 2, chain 3, and then work 4 double crochet in the V stitch to create our first shell. Okay, and that's how easy it is, and we have a nice blended seam. As you can see, when you work it like this in the round, you're hardly going to notice where the join is. So I've worked that all the way around. I'm going to slip stitch in the top of the chain 3 to join, and then I'm just going to fasten off. There you can see how it looks on the join side and this side. That wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to check the description box. Below the video, there'll be a link to the blog where you can get more information and the written instructions for this stitch. Thanks so much, guys. Have an awesome day.